Xi'an, an ancient capital of civilization. A city where history meets nature. Here lies Jiang Lake, a royal garden of the Tang Dynasty. A landscape painted by poets, cherished by emperors. Water, poetry, and elegance flow through time. Clear waters stretch across the city. Willows dance, birds glide, lotus bloom. A peaceful haven in the heart of Xi'an. Stroll along the lake, breathe in the beauty. Tradition and modernity live together. Culture and nature embrace each other. Life here is quiet, warm, and harmonious. Boats float on water. Time slows down. As night falls, lights illuminate the shore. Day meets night. Grand vistas unfold one after another. The lake reflects the glowing pavilions. Bridges shine like ribbons in the dark. Soft lights blend with ancient architecture, creating a dreamlike scene of Tang Dynasty glamour. A timeless view for the world to admire. Jiang Lake, Xi'an, where Oriental poetry meets the world.